Hey guys, welcome back to VolatilityTV here. I just wanted to do a quick video showing you guys my profits for today. Today is February 3rd, Monday, 2025. And as you can see, the profit for today is $1,146, which is absolutely insane. It's amazing, very amazing. Another $1,000 day. I was actually trying to pretty much do a swing trade for $1,000. However, it actually came within the day, so once it hits my target, I pretty much sold out. I can walk you through how I did my trade, so let's get into the video. So over the weekend, we can see that we had a huge drop of about 7% with the huge sell-off and the tariffs and everything that's been going on, dropping all the way to the lows of $111. When I saw that, this is definitely an opportunity to get in. I definitely waited until the market opened, and I can show you the video when I actually bought in. So when I got in as soon as market opened, 113.90 with 300 shares, and then yeah, it pretty much just went sideways for a little bit, and then we actually broke through the resistance line, going all the way up to highs of 117. This is where I actually cleared my $1,000 profit. Again, like I said, I was trying to do a swing trade. Obviously, we are at higher highs, but when I actually sold out, we can see that it just pretty much declined. Like, we just had a huge sellout. So you're thinking, okay, how did you know to sell out over here? Well, you can see that we clearly had a resistance here. We tested, and then I sold out because I realized, okay, you know what, I made my profits for today and that's good enough for me. Let's see what happens after that. Sold off, and then we actually picked back up, sending it all the way to highs of after market hours. We went up to 118. However, when it closed, we closed at 116. Obviously, still higher at when I sold out. So with everything going on in the news with Nvidia, the whole tariffs and Trump, and it's just so much going on right now. The market right now is just, it's very volatile. I would definitely say trade this market if you are experienced, if you're seasoned. If not, you will get crushed. We'll see what happens. You can see that on the 180 day, we see that we're actually approaching this EMA line right here. If it gets rejected and sell off, I'll probably buy back in. However, if we go through this resistance that we have right here, because previous supports, you know, all that good stuff. If you don't know how to trade, like, just let me know in the comment section and I'll break down this whole thing for you. But this is pretty much how I trade. You see where it goes. You buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high. That's pretty much it. Don't do like, you know, what everyone else is doing and buy high, sell low. That's not how you make money. All right. Oh yeah, so as far as overall, my profit for Nvidia for the year is $7,611, which is absolutely insane. Just, you know, for my third trade for the year, actually. And yeah, we're actually going to see how we can take this account to, you know, like I said, like maybe 50,000, 100,000. We'll see what the future brings to us. If we're in a bear market or we're in a bull market, we'll see what happens. So it's just absolutely amazing, and I'm happy with, you know, these trades as it goes along. And let me know in the comment section, what are you guys actually doing? What are you guys trading? Have you guys traded this very extremely volatile market with all the tariffs and the DeepSeek and all the news that's been going on? Let me know in the comment section. And yeah, you know, I just wanted to share my my pretty much my daily trade. However, like I said, I was going to swing trade like I usually do. Like you see, I swing from here to here. This is one day. I swung again from here to here. However, today was pretty much a day trade. Let's see where it opens up. If it opens up higher, you know, it's okay to leave money on the table. That's okay. We will wait till another day. I'll see how it goes tomorrow. And again, my goal is $1,000, whether to swing or if it comes within the day, I'll be happy with that. Yeah, let me know in the comment section if you like this video. What do you want to see? And yeah, just give the video a thumbs up. Let me know, what are you guys actually doing? What have you guys been doing? Have you guys actually been trading in the markets? Have you guys been dealing with the whole tariff situation and looking at Broadcom, Tesla, everything's just been selling off. However, today has been picking back up. We'll see what happens tomorrow. And yeah, if you like this video, you know what to do. Comments, likes, rate, subscribe, and all that stuff, man. This is YouTube, man. You know what to do. Peace.